Okay, so good day everyone. This video will be addressing these very common issues on the big buildings, especially on the big buildings. Guys, for our basic rules on the building repair project, we are required to group big buildings. Big buildings meaning this kind of buildings, industrial or commercial buildings. For example, like this one. All big buildings should be drawn as one building only. This is not allowed. Okay? This kind of big buildings are not allowed because they are not grouped. Okay? Again, for big buildings, guys, we are required to group them. Okay? Residentials, yes, we can ignore. For example, like this one, we do not need to merge, we do not need to group. Okay? But for big buildings such as this one, we are required to group. Okay? So, what to do? We just highlight the entire building and then we group. So, for some reason, an error pops up, like for example, like this one, grouping wrong. Then, they might be an error. Okay? So, this one. So, it's not attached to the main building. So, we are required to attach this one and then we can group them again. Let's try to group them again. So it should look like this. Okay? All big buildings, industrial buildings, commercial buildings, we are required to group. Okay? So for example, like this one. This one. So this is not allowed because if we highlight this one, it will be counted as 3 buildings. Whereas, this is supposed to be one building only. Okay? Multi-layer building. One multi-layer building. So, for this one, we need to group. Select and then press 4. Same with this one. Okay? We highlight, select, and then press 4 to group. Okay? So, this is our standard rules for our building repair, guys. Again, for big buildings, we are required to group or draw them as multi-layer. But since the AI already cut them, we only need to do the grouping for them. Okay, so for this one, I don't see any errors anymore. So this one, we are required to group. Okay, so we only need to fix for big errors. So for this one, this is allowed, so no problem. This one, again, we need to group. This one is a ground. Okay, for grounds, it's stated on the project type, it's stated on the banner. For the grounds, we are required to delete. We delete this one and then we group for the remaining building. Okay, so an error. So let's see. This one, see, it is not attached. So we just connect this one, group, and then we group. Okay, so we connect, we attach, and then this kind of error, guys, even though it's small, but this kind of error, this spike, this is not allowed. So we use the repair tool and then we group. So guys, actually the project is quite easy. You do not need to complicate things. We just need to follow the rules stated on the project type, on the banner, and then you will do just fine. So for this one, again, big buildings, how to differentiate a big building and a residential building. So number one, the size, obviously. So big buildings, normally they are bigger than residential buildings, but also they have a big parking lot in front of them. It might be beside, it might be around, but normally commercial buildings have big parking lots on them. So like this one, see, meaning there are a lot of people using this building. It might be a commercial, I'm not sure, it might be a restaurant, but since there is a big parking lot located in front, I can tell this is a commercial building. So for this one, we need to group. We need to group also. Guys, for this one, our standard rules, we are required to draw big buildings as one. Okay? So if we do not capture this one, we are required to capture this one. Okay? For our standard building repair, we cannot draw big buildings as by sections. So if we ignore this one, this will be missed. So we are required to capture this one. So since the AI already captured this because it has an orange mask, see, For missed buildings, they won't have an orange mask on them. But since the AI already captured this one, we can use the revert tool, number 8. Okay, we just click number 8, press number 8, select the building, and then just press space so that we can capture the whole building. Again, guys, we are not allowed to capture the big buildings as by sections or by piece like this one. We are not allowed to capture this like this one. So we need to capture the missing part, missing part of the building. So since it is already drawn by the AI, we will be using the revert tool, number 8. So press 8, click, and then just press space. And then you can just group. Okay, do not forget to group. Next. So for this one, this is a missed building. So you do not need to draw. Okay, you do not need to redraw again because it already has a orange mask. So all we do is just press 8 and then we will just copy the orange mask. This one, I think this is non-building, so this should be good enough. Okay, so this one, these are missed buildings. This is still inside of your working area, correct? So we use 8 to capture both, and then this should be good enough. So for this one, we need to group. Okay, we need to group the big buildings. And for this one, there is a missing big part. So guys, this is not allowed, especially on big buildings. Small errors such as this one, let's say there's a small error here, we can ignore if it is small, but for this one it's a significant error. So we use the repair tool, or you can use H, or you can redraw. We can delete this part, highlight, delete, and then you can use H. So make sure to double click and then just draw it like this. So same with your training, guys. Okay, same with your training, and then you group. So for this one, there are buildings, guys, that part of the building is located inside of your task area, such as this one. So for this big missing part, you are required also to capture it, regardless if it is grid rules. But as long that part of the building is on your task area, you are required to capture this part of the building. Again, as per previous rules, we are not allowed to capture the building as sections. Okay? Big buildings, again, should be captured as a whole, not by sections or piece by piece. So for this one, since it's already drawn by the AI, we will just use the revert tool or number 8 tool. Highlight, click, and then lastly, I think this is not part of the building. So let's just fix this one, and then let's just group. And then we are done. Okay? So for this one, this might be a big building. So let's just group. Group also containers. So for obvious containers such as this one, you delete and then we group. So because it's located on a commercial area, see, commercial area. So this might be a big building. So and then this forgot this one. This one also we need to group. And this should be good enough to submit. Okay, so fake building, delete. And let's submit. Okay, so I'll look for another big building example. Okay, so another one. So let's go to this map together. So this one, this should be good. Small buildings, residential. Guys, also, if do not delete backyard buildings. I've seen people deleting backyard buildings. You are not required to delete backyard buildings, not unless if you are sure that it is a ground. So for this one, I'm not sure if this is a building or not. Just ignore for them. Do not delete them. Okay? Do not delete backyard buildings. So let's continue. So this should be good enough. The results of the AI, guys, are actually quite good. So the only problem we have is this big buildings. Okay, so for this one we need to group big building we need to group ground. Okay, I can say this is a ground or a fake building. So for this one you need to delete This one also, ground, delete. So how can I tell that this is a ground? So you can just compare it with the shadow. Okay, so obviously this is flat. So the group miss building. So for miss building, we need to draw. Okay, since miss buildings don't have orange mask on them like this one. So for this one, we are required to draw them manually. You cannot use the revert tool or number 8 tool. So group, we can cut this one, and then to add a layer, group, ground. I think this is a ground area. So delete, and then group. I think this is a fake building. So delete. Let's just delete. So again, this is still part of your building. So we use the revert tool, number 8, and then we just group. Group. So I don't think this is a layer, correct? You only identify it as a layer. We only identify it as a layer if it has a ridge. For example, like this one, it has a ridge or a visible cutting line. Like this one, see? This one. So it has a visible cutting line. This one, oh, wait. This one, it doesn't have cutting line. So we just merge for this one. Ground, delete, and then we group. And then they should be good enough to submit. Okay? Let's get another one. Okay, for kickback issues. So for example, like this one. So for kickback, it normally the one that causes the kickback is sharp edges or sharp curves. So for this one, we can just make, guys, when fixing big buildings, especially the ones that you already group, you need to ungroup. Okay, ungroup, press 5 to ungroup. We can either merge. See, there's a spike. So we can either merge, or you can delete the layer, fix this part using repair tool, and then you can just use H. Okay, H to draw again. And then you can group. So let's try to submit.